Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Klarna. We couldn't verify your details. First, check that your full name, date of birth, and address entered in Klarna exactly match the details on your government ID and bank records. Even small differences like spelling, spacing, or abbreviation can cause verification to fail. Next, use a valid government-issued ID such as passport or driver's license. Make sure the photo is clear, well-lit, and not blurry, with all edges visible and no glare or shadows. Then, confirm that you are verifying your account with a real mobile phone number. Avoid using VoIP or virtual numbers as Klarna usually does not accept them for identity checks. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy and retry the verification on a stable internet connection, preferably using your home or mobile data network. Now, update the Klarna app to the latest version from the App Store and try the verification process again, as outdated versions can cause errors. If the issue still doesn't go away, contact Klarna support directly from the app or website and request manual verification. Provide any document they ask for so they can review and fix the issue. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.